Do you want to create consistent characters for your content? Imagine if you could do it for free, using the same tools that professionals rely on every day. In this video, I'm going to show you two powerful tools I use to create awesome, consistent characters without spending a penny. Thousands of creators are already using these tools to bring their characters to life, and now you can too. So, if you're serious about improving your content and saving money, keep watching, because you won't want to miss this. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I appreciate your support so much. Let's jump right in.
Step 1. Using ChatGPT to generate character prompts.
First, we're going to start with ChatGPT to generate character prompts. It's fast, free, and super easy to use. If you don't have a ChatGPT account yet, no worries. I've left a link in the description for you to sign up. Once you're logged in, just type your request for a character. Whether it's a simple character background or complex actions, ChatGPT will give you a detailed set of prompts. And if you want to follow along, I've left the exact instructions in the comments below. For example, I asked ChatGPT to generate prompts for a character named Miko. Some options included things like Miko eating apples with Donald Trump at the park, or Miko building a sand house at the beach. These prompts give you a clear vision of the character, making the next steps so much easier. The key here is to keep most of the prompt the same, but tweak the background and actions based on what you need. I didn't love the default style that ChatGPT gave me, so I switched it to a 3D Pixar style with a 16:9 ratio for a more polished look.
Step 2. Bringing characters to life with Leonardo AI.
Now that we've got our prompts, it's time to bring them to life using Leonardo AI, one of the best tools for generating images. Content creators, designers, and even marketers use it to quickly create high-quality images. Here's how you use it. Click the link in the description to log into Leonardo AI with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the image generation section. Just paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT and hit Generate. The tool will give you 4 unique images each time, without costing you anything. For instance, when I generated Miko eating apples with Donald Trump at the park, Leonardo AI quickly provided multiple versions of the scene. If you like one image but want to recreate or modify it later, you can copy the seed number. This allows you to keep the style and consistency across multiple images, very helpful for bigger projects. Once you have your seed, scroll to the advanced settings on the left, paste the seed number, and generate your next image. Leonardo AI's free version gives you 150 tokens daily, and you can create plenty of images before needing an upgrade. If you plan to do more, paid plans start at just $10 a month.
Step 3. Creating different actions with Leonardo AI.
What's great about Leonardo AI is that you can create multiple scenes of your character doing different things. This flexibility allows you to explore your character in various settings and actions. For example, Miko building a sand house at the beach, Miko watching a movie with 5 friends, Miko playing video games with his girlfriend in a competitive mood. These variations make your characters more dynamic and relatable to your audience. If you need to make tweaks to any images, you can edit them directly in Leonardo AI, though edits will cost 24 tokens, so be mindful of your daily limit.
Step 4. Organizing your designs with Canva's Magic Media tool.
Now let's move on to Canva, another fantastic tool to use alongside Leonardo AI. Canva is perfect for organizing and refining your images. Here's how. Go to Canva using the link in the description or search for it in your browser. Once you're logged in, click Create a Design and select Whiteboard. This whiteboard feature allows you to collect all your generated images in one place. Next, go to the Apps section on the left and search for Magic Media. This feature lets you generate more images using your ChatGPT prompts. Pro tip: remove unnecessary background details from your prompts and add a seed number to ensure consistency across all your designs. Once the images are generated, simply drag and drop them onto the whiteboard to compare and organize them. This gives you a nice overview of all your designs, making it easy to brainstorm or refine your ideas.
Step 5. Downloading and saving your character designs.
After you've finished organizing your characters, it's time to download them. Here's the simple way to do it. Go back to Canva's homepage, create a new design with custom dimensions, and paste each image onto a new page. Once you're done, click Download, select all the images you want, and Canva will zip them up for easy access. And this method keeps your characters organized and ready for future projects. Canva is free, but upgrading to their paid plan gives you even more creative options, especially if you want to level up your designs. And that's it! In just a few easy steps, you can create consistent, high-quality characters using ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, and Canva, completely free. These tools are perfect for anyone serious about content creation. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who could benefit from these tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more content creation tips. I appreciate your support. Got any questions or special requests? Leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.